So in this video, we will talk about cloning after we install a master vyos and how do we fix the interface naming on the cloned vyos. Because once you clone the vyos, the interface numbers get, does not match up with the master one. So let's install the vyos first and clone it and see how we can quickly clone them by link cloning and also renumbering them quickly. Let's do the installation. Do a new, call it master vyos other 64. We'll give it 512. Next, create, next, 2 gigabyte, create, and we go into this guy and we select the network just to make sure that we have 4 network adapters also available in our cloned, because we're looking at the network numbering, that's why. Set them to internal network, and this could also be internal. For now, go to the storage, empty, select 1 point, whatever you have downloaded. Okay, start. You can cancel this because this is already selected. Press enter. Once it comes up, log in, vyos, install image, yes, and auto, SDA, yes. Enter here as well. Enter password for vyos, whatever you want to select, vyos, enter, and it's done. So now, if you look at the interfaces here, it's got 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna, since it's installed, we're gonna power it off and clone it instead of reinstalling multiple vyoses. Power off. Now we're going to clone this guy by right-clicking on it, and you're going to say clone, link clone, and we're going to say generate new MAC addresses, clone, and it's going to create a clone right there. Now, if you were to start the clone, just make sure that your storage is remove because it's installed already. This guy also, remove the storage. Okay, let's start the clone. So here's the clone, it'll tell you it's a clone. We'll also go ahead and start master. So here's our clone that came up. So notice the interfaces are 4, 5, 6, 7 compared to what the master is going to look like. So if you log into the master installation, you'll see that the interface numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and here the clone has 4, 5, 6, 7. So how do we fix this? Last video we went into the bash shell and we edited the config file. Here we're going to just simply delete the file called config boot, yes, and just reboot, and it should fix it. It's coming back up. So now that it's up, let's log in. Show interface, bingo, 0123, 0123. So you can clone the master as many times as you want. And the only drawback is that when you try to delete this guy or delete this guy, they're linked together, so they may not completely delete from the folders or the hard drive, but that's not a biggie. But this is the quickest way to fix the interface numbers and have as many vyoses as you want. You just need one master installation.